As you can see here, the shrimp is very good. Wow. What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'm going to make tempura. Tempura is one of the very famous dish from Japan. But do you know the Portugal give tempura to the Japans? So today to make the tempura I'm going to use the shrimp. That is, I have the two types of shrimp. That is the small, little bit small one, and I have the bigger ones. And here is the sesame leaf, carrot, onions, broccoli, asparagus, cogumels, shiitake, and I have the brinjals and the sweet potato. And to make all of this for the tempura butter, I'm going to use the tempura mix butter, tempura flour, that kinds of flour. You can buy any kinds of SNE stores, and also you can buy in the Japanese stores. That is, and I'm going to use the 1 egg, and definitely you should have the water, but that is the normal tap water, but we have to use the icy cold water. I'm going to use here ice. Okay, let's go. And first of all, I'm going to make the sauce for the tempura. Okay, to make the sauce for the Japanese tempura, I'm going to use a little bit water. Yes, it's enough. And one dashi. It's all kinds of dashi. If you have the katsubushi dashi and shiitake dashi, you can use, but the hondashi is very good. That is all kinds of the artificial umami. So you can buy things like that box. Okay, just a little bit hondashi. Yes, it's enough, because it will give the extra level of the umami flavor. That's almost 3 parts of the hondashi and water, and 1 part of the soya. That is the normal soya sauce. Yes, it's 1 part of soya. Just a little bit lemon juice. Yes, and just a little bit mirin. If you don't have the mirin, you can use the sugar as well. I'm going to use here mirin. Yes, I have here the sweet sour umami, and just a little bit grated ginger. Not too much, because the ginger is flavor will be really strong, so it's enough. Now I will start to cook it, and after, when it will start to boil, I'm going to add a little bit what, let's see. Let's start to cook. Now it's boiling it. Well, now I'll add a little bit cornstarch, so the consistency will be really good. Then I'm gonna mix here. It's enough, I think. Yes, you can see here the consistency is very good. Nice. Now let's prepare the shrimp. First of all, I'm going to take out the head. As you can see here, if you want, you can keep this head to make the any kinds of dashi and caldo also. Let's take out the skins. To take out the skins, just catch here, softly and gently take out the skins. Okay, till tail. And here, that part is the very dangerous part, so I took out. I will show you. Okay, that part is the dangerous. Tail we are not going to take out, but that part we should take out. Okay, softly and gently we can take the skins of the shrimp. Okay, nice. That part also. And another thing is the important things I'm going to show you. We have to take the black part, we have to take out these ones. So when you are going to deep fry, it will give the really redness. I'll cut here to give the extra looks. So when you are frying, it will looks like these ones. Okay, nice. Put it like this way. The real name tempura is from Portugal, and the Portugal give the gift to the Japan. I hear in the Second World War. After Second World War, some Portuguese soldier stuck in Japan and they started to make tempura with the green beans. Then it became very famous and they started to make the tempura. Cut in the back side and we have to take that black part. Yes. Now I'm going to do one important thing to make the little bit long that shrimp. Cut here, one in the belly side, 2, 3. Okay, then squeeze it. Yeah, it will be a little bit long like this. Yes. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables. First of all, I'm going to start from the shiitake. Okay, this side. Small slice. So I'm cutting here. So the tempura will go inside this one. So it will be more crunchy. Let's go here. Now I'm going to use the asparagus, some asparagus. I'm not going to use the bottom part, so I'm going to just use soft part of the asparagus. Okay, I'll clean these ones. Okay, to the asparagus I'm gonna cut here, so it will be a good. Don't cut too thick, it will be hard to cook, and don't cut too thin, it will burn very fast. So just, yeah, that size is good. You can use the long brinjals, Asian brinjal also. These ones I'm going to use today. I'll make the fan with brinjal as well. I think it's enough for me. Now definitely I have here the shiso leaf, and I'm going to use the carrot as well. Yes, I'm going to make these ones. You can cut same like that ones if you want. For the onions, the technique is I'm going to use the toothpick. Yes, 3 is enough. Now we will make the tempura butter. That is the most important part. If you don't know how to make perfect tempura butter, your Japanese tempura cannot be very good. So that is the one of the most important part. Okay, I'm going to use 1 tempura flour as I showed you before, and that's the egg, and here is the icy cold water. Now I'm going to use here water. Yes, it's enough. Now I'm going to use here the 1 whole egg. I'm going to mix it. Now the most important thing is, now when you are going to mix the tempura flour, if you mix too much, it will start to produce the gluten. If the more gluten will be less crunchy, so we'll just mix it very slowly. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Yes. Now just add flour, tempura flour, and just slowly mix. Not too much mix, okay? Just that's it. You should have the consistency. It's enough. Not too thick, okay? If you make the too thick, it cannot be a more crunchy, and not only that ones, the tempura will be really heavy. So the consistency of that ones is good. Now I'm going to use the same tempura flour. If you don't have that kinds of tempura flour, you can use normal flour. It doesn't matter. The importance of this using the tempura flour on the ingredients is it will soak if there is any water, extra level of water, and the also important things is it will grab more tempura butter and it will be a more crunchy as well. And the most important things, when you are going to deep fry it time, it will stop to go oil inside the ingredients. Yes, all the things is here. I'm putting here the oil. That's the normal vegetable oil. I'm going to put here is the tempura butter. Oil should be 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, not more than 180 degrees Celsius. Normally when you are doing the deep frying, it is very good if your oil heat temperature will be 174. Let's see. Yes, the tempura will go downside and it will come. That means the oil is ready, and you should have one strainer to take all the stops, otherwise it will start to burn. So I'll start from the brinjals. Nice. That's the carrot. Shiitake. You can turn it and another side. I think this happens. It's become a golden brown, so I think it's good. Wow, nice. Bubbles is coming because of the water, I washed before to cut, so the bubble came. Now let's put the sweet potato. For the sweet potato, at least we have to do the deep fry at least 2 to 3 minutes at least. At the same time I will do the onion as well. You can see the crispiness of the onions. Nice. Whatever you want, you can do the tempura, but I don't prefer to all of my Sushi Lord's family. Don't do which will have more water, like a cucumber, like tomato. That is a little bit weird to make tempura, but the other things you can make the pumpkin, you can make the any kinds of fish, you can make any kinds of meats, octopus and squids, whatever you want you can make. Same time I'm going to do the asparagus. I'm adding the tempura on the top of this asparagus. It will be more crunchy, not too much, just a little bit. When you are doing the deep frying of the tempura ingredients in the tempura, you should make the heat temperatures very well, not in the low heat. If you are making the low heat, it will be overcooked and it cannot be more crunchy. That is my best. The shrimp will be really good. Yes, that's also done. Now the time to do the shrimp. Okay, shrimp is very good. For the shrimp, we have to put a little bit tempura on the top of it, so it will be more crunchy. Wow, nice. That's the very good technique, okay? Yes, nice. As you can see here, the shrimp is very good. Wow. The last one is shiso leaf. For this shiso leaves, we have to do just one side. Just one side, yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, that's it. That's our very good Japanese tempura, as you can see here. To eat this one, so I have here the sauce for the tempura. Yes, that's our final result of tempura, how to make Japanese tempura at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.